Trius Federal Credit Union has upgraded to a new online banking platform. You will need to re-enroll to access your information. Before you start, have your account number handy as well as your Social Security number and date of birth. You may re-enroll using either the online site or mobile app. Once complete, you will use the same credentials to access your information from either the online site or mobile app. These instructions are for the online site. Step 1. Go to triusfcu.com and click on the Online Account Access login box at the top right. The new online banking screen will appear. Step 2. Click on the Enroll button to start your re-enrollment process. Step 3. You will be prompted to enter your account number in the box. Next, enter your Social Security number in the box, then enter your date of birth, then click Continue. Step 4. On the next screen, you will be prompted to select a username. Please follow these specifications. First, it must be at least 6 characters in length. Next, it must include at least 1 alphabetic character, 1 number, and no special characters. Now you must select a password. Follow these specifications. The password must be at least 8 characters long, and it must include at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character, and it must not be the same as your username. Next, retype your password to confirm it matches. Now check the box next to the I agree to the terms and conditions. Then check the box next to the Yes, I would like to enroll in e-statements and e-notices if you prefer. And last, check the box next to I'm not a robot. Click Submit. You will receive a confirmation message once you have successfully re-enrolled in online banking. Click Continue. Step 5. For your security, a verification code will be emailed to the email address that we have on file for you. If you do not receive the verification code or no longer have access to the email that we have on file, you must contact the credit union to update your information. A message will appear that shows the first and last letter of your email and the name of the email provider. This is the email address that the code has been sent to. You must go to that email account and open the email. The email will be from info@triusfcu.com with the subject line Trius Federal Credit Union Verification. If you need the code again, you can select the Resend Code button. Enter the code in the box and click Submit. Step 6. Once you click Submit, you will be taken to a dashboard that summarizes your account information. Now you are all set and ready to use online or mobile banking. You will use the same credentials to log into both. Now take a few minutes to discover all the new features of online banking, and thank you for being a member of Trius Federal Credit Union.